Hi, I'm Kyle O'Neill from SERVPRO of Northwest and Southeast Dutchess County. I'm standing here in our yard on Salt Point Turnpike in Poughkeepsie. I'm standing in front of one of our newer pieces of equipment. This is our ProMaster van, and inside this van is mounted a huge water extractor. We have the ability to extract water from your home or business fairly easily and quickly. When it comes to SERVPRO, we're pretty much a household name, and people think of us first when it comes to fire and water damage, but we also offer a lot of other different services too. We offer commercial cleaning, whether it be a restaurant or a hotel. We also do commercial carpet cleaning. We also do construction cleanup. To learn more, visit our website. I'm Kyle from SERVPRO, and thank you.